Reduced engine power on the dashboard. Here's how to fix it, and reset it the right way. First, reset the system. Turn the engine off. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Wait about 10 minutes. This allows the computer to fully reset. Reconnect the battery. Start the car. Check if the warning message is gone. If it comes back, the most common cause is the throttle body. When it gets dirty, the engine can't control airflow correctly. Remove the throttle body. Clean it gently using throttle body cleaner. Do not use brake cleaner. Let it dry completely. Reinstall it, and start the car again. Many times, this alone fixes the problem. If the warning is still there, check the gas pedal area. Look for loose connectors, moisture, or damage under the dashboard. Next, check the battery. A weak or failing battery can trigger reduced engine power, even when the engine is fine. If none of these steps work, a scan tool will tell you exactly which sensor is causing the issue. Always try these simple fixes first. They solve this problem far more often than you'd expect. Comment your car's make and model below. I'll help you step by step.